Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30031. And this is the World Racers Powerboat. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done a bunch of them already. This being, I think we just passed the 6-month mark, because this is like 181. So if you'd like this kind of thing, I've done a bunch so far, and there's also a bunch more on the way. If you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Bricklink and on Amazon, and also the brick set page where you just can find information about it. So this guy is kind of like, rah. So we did the World Racers yesterday, where the guy kind of looked like a Mad Max guy. This guy, like the World Racer stuff, seems pretty serious. I might have to check out some of these other ones. So he's got like it almost looks like a bike helmet. That's kind of neat. Anyway, so this is a powerboat. Well, let's check out the powerboat. Also, while I'm thinking about it, if there's any like cool polybags that I haven't done yet, I'm working my way through them. I have more to do, but if there's any that I haven't done so far, and you think that I should do them, let me know. Just include it down in the description, and I'll check them out. If I don't already have them kind of like on tap and ready. But also, if you have any good recommendations for any like small sets, like the under $10 sets or the $10, $12, $15 sets, I've been liking those a lot lately. And they're just kind of, I don't know, I'm just kind of like, I've enjoyed them lately. Alright, so this is interesting. So it goes like this. This doesn't look like a super complicated build, but it's kind of a, I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of looking interesting though, so far. So, I know what's coming here though. This is going to be our handle, and this is going to be how the handle attaches. Because I've done a couple of these power boats before. Not this particular power boat, but I've done other like city power boats. Alright, so that goes there. This goes right here. Yeah, it goes right there. Like so. And then we flip it over and add this thing. Like so. And then we flip it back over and we put in our little handlebar, which I knew was coming. And then, so this goes, really? It seems like, so it butts up to here like that. Huh. They make some interesting choices with some of these. And like, I don't know, I wonder, I feel like there should be a piece underneath there, right? It's not just me, is it? Alright, so there's that. And then this goes here. Like that? Oh no. Wait, one back. Like that. That's super weird. Okay. And then this goes on top. This goes over the top like that to hold it in place. They made some weird choices with this. Like, it feels like this is kind of just loose. But yeah, that's in the right place, isn't it? Yeah. So it's like it's one back. Alright. So we gotta do the engine thing in the back. I don't know. They made some weird choices with this build, I think. And we'll see how it looks when it's finally put together. Like that. And we got this. And I know what's coming here. This goes here. And this is going to clip right here. Like so. Alright, so this attaches here. Like that. And then our dude goes on here. I don't know. It's kind of a weird choice. This piece right here, I feel like this piece messes with the ability to hold on to that. Of course, I guess maybe you could lower it down a little bit. I don't know. This is a weird one. What do y'all think? Oh, extra piece. You get an extra weird, sickly green cheese loaf. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.